Welcome to Money Patrol User Guide video tutorial. For this video, you will be learning everything there is to know about Money Patrol's Documents section. Let's get started. Documents. In this section, you will be able to upload and save crucial financial documents or receipts that you may need in the future. Last upload displays the latest date you uploaded a new document, while Total Documents displays the total number of documents you have uploaded. You can limit the number of documents displayed on your screen or select the type of documents you want to view. If you have a specific document in mind, you can use the search bar to find it. You can view a document by clicking the eye icon in the action column. Click Download, or return to the action column and click the arrow down icon to save this document. If you click the trash bin icon, the document will be deleted. These deleted documents, however, will remain in your trash files for the next 30 days before being permanently deleted. To restore a deleted document, go to Check Trash, then click the arrow up icon in the action column to restore deleted documents. If you wish to permanently delete this document, then click the trash bin icon. Note: documents that have been deleted from your trash files can no longer be restored. To return to your uploaded documents, click Go to Document. To add a new document, click Upload Document. In the pop-up window, you can enter the document name, add a note, and choose the document type. After that, upload the document file. When you're done, click Upload. And this is it for documents. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please watch the other user guide videos to learn more about Money Patrol.